If you are running Facebook ad without server-side tracking, you are not seeing real data. You are making decisions based on incomplete signals, and incomplete data leads to wrong scaling decisions. If your purchase numbers does not match your store, if your event match quality is low, your tracking is broken. Today I will show you the complete professional setup of browser plus server side tracking using Google Tag Manager with conversion API with proper event deduplication. The exact structure serious media buyer and agencies use. And if you don't want to spend hours building everything manually, I have created complete JSON file template. You can get it from the comment section. It's a trade template because this is not basic pixel installation. This is a professional tracking system built for real ad accounts. Now let's start step by step. After privacy updates and ISO restriction, browser tracking gets blocked. Ad blocker stop pixel, Safari limit cookies, purchase events fails. Most advertisers only install Facebook pixel that is outdated. Serious advertisers combine browser tracking plus server-side tracking. Browser capture user interactions, server sends event directly to Facebook. Results: higher event match quality, more accurate purchase, better optimization, stable, scalable. So now I will set up Facebook browser and server-side tracking with JSON file. Now we need to know benefits of GTM JSON file. This JSON file saves you hours, prevent tracking mistake, ensure proper deduplications, improve event match qualities and accurate purchase value, and gives you a professional browser plus server-side tracking ready to scale. So now let's get started how to set up GTM JSON file on your Google Tag Manager account and perfect Facebook browser and server-side track. First of all, we need to create a Google Tag Manager account for these setups. So if you have already have a Google Tag Manager account, we don't need to create Google Tag Manager account. So I want to set up it to scratch. So I will first of all I will create a Google Tag Manager account. Then I will set up web container. So I will type a name Cycle Store. This is my website. Cycle Store. This is my website. So now I need to select country. I already selected my country. Then you will select your business country. So this is my business country. I will select that. If you are business country another, you will select that. So then need to click share data anonymity with Google and others. Then I need to type container name. So I will type here container name Cycle Store web. This is my web container. So I will type here. Then I need to select a target platform. I will select target platform. Then need to create. So here Google terms and agreements. So you can read this everything carefully. So I will select here. I also accept data processing terms and agreement. Then need to click yes. So our Google Tag Manager web content account and web container create done. So I need to create a server container. So I will duplicate this step. Then I will click admin sections. Then I will click here. Then here I will type again my container name. This is my web container name. So I will type here server. Then I need to select server target platform. Then need to click create. Our web and server container create done. So now I need to set up our JSON file, this web container and server container. So I already created JSON file for this setup. So first of all, I need to connect our website with Google Tag Manager. So I will need to copy this code. Then I need to go to my website backend. This is my WordPress website. You can use this your another website platform. So if you face any problem, you can contact with me. So no problem. So I will GTM for WP. GTM for WP. First of all, I need to enable website data layer. So I will click this GTM for WP, a Google Tag Manager plugin for WordPress. So I will set up this setup for WordPress. If you need for another website, you can contact with our WhatsApp. I will send you the perfect JSON file for your website. So now I need to click on GTM for WP settings. Then I need to paste here our GTM code. Then need to click save changes. If you see that your container turned off, so I need to turn on this. Then again need to click save changes. Now I need to enable website data layer. So I need to go click here. So now no need to change here. Then need to click advanced integrations. Then click WooCommerce. So this is my WooCommerce website. Now I need to select this. Then I need to cart content data layers and content full category. So order data in data layer. So another one is clear commerce object before event. So need to click save change. So our website data layer already enabled. So I need to check it. Our Google Tag Manager website will connect it with website. So I will paste here website URL, then need to click test. So you will see that our Google Tag Manager already connected with website. If I go to our website, then reload this page. Then if I click any product, then if I click our data layer checker, we will see that our website data layer already enabled, and we will see all of this event is here. So our website data layer already enabled. So now I need to set up our JSON file. So first of all, I need to go Google Tag Manager web container, then need to click admin sections, then find out import containers. So then again need to select workspace. I want to use the default workspace, so I need to click source container file. So this is my web container JSON file, so I will select that. Then I need to scroll down, then need to click add to workspace. So now I will see that all of these Facebook browser and server side trackings, all of these events already added here. So now I need to edit for server containers. So first of all, I need to close this, then again click on admin section, then find out again import container. This will be for server container. Now I need to select our server container file. So again need to click add to workspace. Our server container, all of this event edits. So now I need to change here some of this pixel ID and test code and API access token. So I need to go Facebook event manager. If you already have a event manager, no need to sense it. So need to click settings, needed sometimes for loading. So need to copy dataset or Facebook pixel ID. So I already copy this dataset ID. Then I go back our Google Tag Manager server container. Then I paste our pixel ID or dataset ID. So now I need API access token. So I will go back again here, then find out API access token. So here scroll down, then need to select this one, then click generate API access token. So first of all, we can use this setup, so no need to worry about it. Setup without dataset quality API. So I will copy this API access token, then paste here. Now I need to change test code. So where I find out test code? If I click here test event, then here we'll see that test code. So I need to copy this, then paste here. Everything is okay. So now I need to click on save. Our setup is almost done. Now I need to change our Google Analytics GA4 events measurement ID. So I need to go back Google Analytics account. This is my Google Analytics accounts. Here you will find that your GA4 ID. So I will copy this, then go back again Google Tag Manager server container, then paste here, then click on save. Our Google Tag Manager server container all working almost done. Here you will see that our template update available. So we can see this update, and then I need to update this template. You can update easily this template. Don't worry about it. And then first of all, need to click accept updates. These templates will be updated automatically. So now I need to go back again Google Tag Manager web container. This is my Google Tag Manager web container. Now I need to change here some things. Need to go back again variable sections. So I need to change some things. I will search here Facebook. So I need to change first of all Facebook ID. So again need to go Facebook event manager. Now I need to copy dataset ID. Then I need to change here dataset ID. So need to click on save. Another one need to change. This one is GA4. So I will type here GA4. You'll find that GA4 measurement ID. So again go back again Google Analytics 4. Then copy this GA4 ID, then paste here. Then again click on save. So our web container and server container working process almost done. Now I need to go step account. So I need to create a step server containers. So first of all, this is my step account. So I need to create a S container. So first of all, I type here name cycle store server. So now I need to go back again our server container. Then need to click on admin sections. Then find out install Google Tag Manager. Then need to select manually provision tagging server. If you want to use Google Cloud Server, you will select this. If you want to use Step or other servers, so you can use this manually provision tagging server. Now I need to copy container config. Now I go back again Step servers, then paste here. Then first of all, you need to select server locations. If your business is global multi-zone, you can select this. This is my business area, so I will select this. Then first of all, you need to remember it shows you server location based on where most of your clients are located. This location cannot be changed. means letters. If you use this, if you say that this one is available for business subscription plan or higher, so I will select this, then click on create container. Then here you can see all of this plan. First of all, I will use this plan, then scroll down, I will turn off this one, then need to click free with plan. So now here is the domain name or server tracking server URL. So I want to use custom domain URL. So I will click on here add on. Now I need to type a server URL. So first of all, I need to copy my website URL. So I already copy this website URL. Then I need to paste here. Now I will remove this. First of all, what type of domain name you need to create? Subdomain. So I will type here SST or some things. So I will type here data or something. You can edit anything, don't worry about it. Now I need to click add CDN. Now I want to set up here how to connect. I want to set up manually, then need to click next. So here you can see two names. At this correct record table below on your domain, step will verify it at this custom domain to container. It will take 72 hours. So first of all, I need to copy this value. Now I need to go back my CNAME. So this is my website CNAME. So I will click on add record. Now I paste this name. Now I need to copy value. This one is value. I need to select CNAME, then type here value. I need to click here save record. Now I need to go back again our step server, then need to copy another one, and then again click on add record, then paste here. Now go back again, copy for value. So I need to copy this value. Now I need to select the name. Everything will be this one. No, don't worry about it. Our server cPanel working process done. Now I need to go back again step server, need to click on verify. It will take sometimes 72 hours. So don't worry about it. Now I need to change our domain URL. So where I find out domain URL, I need to go back again Google Tag Manager web container. Then first of all, I need to find out Google Facebook server side tagging Google tag. So I need to change this URL. So I will type here URL, then click save. Now I need to go again our Google Tag Manager server container, then click on container settings. First of all, where you find it, then you will find this interface. Then you can click container settings and then add URL and type here URL, then click save. Our working process almost done. I need to check it, everything will be okay or not okay. Now if I check again my step server, you will see that our custom domain is already ready. So I need to copy it. I already changed it from my server container and web container. If I check again, I already changed it with the real server domain. So if I check again our web container, you will see that our custom domain already added. So now I need to check it, everything working fine or not. So I need to click again preview button. Then I need to again click on server container preview button. Now I need to here my website URL. So I will paste here my website URL, then click on connect. If I check again Tech Assistant, you will see that our website already connected. And if I check on our server container preview, you will see that our custom domains working fine. If I complete any purchase and click again any product and click add to cart, then again click view cart, then again click proceed to checkout. Then now finally I want to complete purchase. Now I will fill up everything, then click place an order. If I check again Tag Assistant, you will see that our all of this tag already fired, so our set is perfectly okay. If I check again our server container preview, we will see that all of this tag already fired. If I check again our event manager, you will see that our all of these tags is here. So our setup is perfectly okay. Every data is here, comes here. So our setup is perfectly okay. If you check again from our Google Analytics 4, we will see that our all of this tag is here. So our setup is perfectly okay. If you want it, check the comment sections. It's a paid template because it saves your hours and prevents costly mistakes. If you are serious about scaling ads in 2026, accurate tracking is not optional. Let's required. Like this video, subscribe to Analyst Sultan because here we don't guess, we track, we analyze, we scale. I will see you in the next advanced tracking tutorial. Thank you.